Alright, well, good morning internet, welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. You may not be able to see anything right now because we're riding straight into the sun. We have a little unscheduled ride, just me and my son, running the super secret single track. He's on his now California plated Surron, and I'm on my wife's XC250. So we are just out goofing around, having fun. So he's never been out here. And this exposure here at this section can be pretty intimidating, especially for a new rider. So I told him go slow because there's hikers. Just enjoy it, putt along. So we just got to ride for a few hours before I have to head in and do some work sort of stuff. So we got up early, geared up out the door on the bikes before it gets super hot, because I think yesterday it was 108. It's supposed to be like that again today. This part of the trail is in pretty good shape. Let's see how the rest of it's doing. Okay, so there's the other one. Yeah, see, someone's come through here and cleared a lot of brush. A little exposure, the kid did pretty good. Some of these edges are gnarly. No, I guess that's where the trail maintenance ended. Bobcat. That's awesome. That's cool. Okay, so stop up there at that point where there's a big view you'll see. Oh, there's something dead right here. Yeah, he just spotted a bobcat. Oh, there's the little dead mouse. That was super cool. Yeah, just take it nice and slow. Roll through it. Good job. Yep. Look to where you want to go. Don't look down there. Roll through it. I know. You're doing great.
There's something spiky in my back.
Do you need help?
No,
You're doing awesome. Are you liking it?
it's so overgrown, but yeah.
Yeah. It was pretty cleared out at the bottom, but like it's gotten way worse. Favorite little part of this trail. So overgrown. Okay, off to the right. Go around that big rock. No, don't go in there. There you go. And then swing it wide and then over to the right. Around that other big round rock. Just nice and slow. Don't worry about getting your boots wet. Yeah. And then stay on the other side of that round one on the hillside. There you go. And then straight up. Oh, little road runner. Kid just speeds up. There's a concrete section up here, just be aware of it. Okay. Nice. Woo! Snake track. Hold on, I can't hear you.
I said, yeah, I saw another one.
Yeah, I was wondering if you saw that other one earlier. Good eye. Quail. Oh, you almost got hit in the head. That one almost hit you in the head. It was one that came in from the side and went right over the top of your head. Dang, kid, you freaking bombed through there. You all right?
Yeah.
You're gonna try this?
Yeah.
Okay, just remember, this is your rear brake down here.
Yeah.
Okay? And just be patient with yourself. You want to let that clutch out nice and slow. So right now it's in neutral, so you have to click it up one, or sorry, down one to first gear. And then pull down to first gear, because it's in neutral.
Neutral's up?
Neutral's in the middle of first and second.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, that hurt. Is that, oh, that's way softer.
Yeah, it's super squishy. Okay, so pull the clutch flip this. And then with the clutch in, click that down one. And then when you're ready to shift up to second, pull the clutch, click it up one.
And no throttle.
No extra throttle when you're doing that. And just go nice and slow. And then you have to use that rear brake over there mostly, okay?
Yeah.
Just go real slow and get a feel for it. Little more throttle. Kid all of a sudden is flying. Slower! Oh my god, this is freaking me out so bad. Good stop. Good job. Turn it off, yeah. And then let out the clutch, and it'll be in gear, so it'll keep it from rolling.
Oh, it won't roll?
It won't roll so much if you're on flat ground in gear. There you go.
Oh, you got that?
Leaning onto the kickstand.
The kickstand didn't go down all the way.
Yeah, you have to sometimes hold your toe against it and then set it down.
That thing's fun.
Good job.